Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing the complete Nifty pre-market analysis for Thursday trading session. We will look at the fresh support or resistance levels, how the sentiment is shaping up, and what traders should watch out for in the first 15 to 30 minutes. So let's dive right in. Quick market overview. First, let's quickly recap where Nifty stands right now. Nifty closed around 26,202, holding strong above key intraday zones and showing good bullish momentum. The market structure today indicates strength, and momentum buyers were clearly active. But the key question is, will this momentum continue tomorrow morning? For that, let's go to the support and resistance levels. Support or resistance levels explanation. Here are the major levels for tomorrow. Resistance levels. R1:26 263, R2:26 321, R3:26 379, R4:26 437, R5:26 495, R6:26 553. These are the zones where the market may face supply. Especially R1 and R2 will play a crucial role during the first hour. Support levels. S1 26105, S2 26020, S3:25 930, S4:25 835, S5:25 765, S6:25 685. These are strong demand zones. If Nifty dips, these are levels where buyers may step in aggressively. Tomorrow's possible opening scenarios. Now let's discuss three possible opening scenarios. Flat to slight positive opening. If Nifty opens near 26,200 to 26,250, then watch R1 equals 26,263. A breakout above this zone can take Nifty towards R2 or R3 quickly. Gap up opening. If we open above 26,300, then expect profit booking first, then a possible rebound from R2-R3 area. Gap down opening. If Nifty opens below 26,150, the first support will be S1 equals 26,105. Breaking below S1 can drag the market toward 26,020. Trend bias or trader sentiment. Right now, the market tone remains bullish to neutral. There is no major weakness visible unless Nifty breaks below S1:26 105. Traders should focus on clean breakout above R1 R2, clean breakdown below S1 S2 first 15-minute candle structure. Position of FIIs and global cues in the morning. Trading plan for tomorrow. Your plan for tomorrow should be simple. Bullish plan, long trades. Breakout or sustain above R1. Target R2 R3. SL, below breakout candle. Bearish plan, short trades. Breakdown below S1. Target S2 S3. SL, above breakdown candle. If Nifty trades between 26,150 to 26,250, avoid forced trades and wait for clear direction. Final guidance. Tomorrow's market looks technically strong, but remember, let the market give you direction first. Respect your stop loss and avoid trading in no-trade zones. Keep an eye on global cues in the morning. If US or Asia remain stable, Nifty may attempt a bullish continuation. That's the complete pre-market analysis for tomorrow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.